Let's look at the video. I don't remember where I stopped last time. Okay, so yeah, I should probably look into adding okay, yeah, so last time I added stimulus. So this is powered with stimulus.js. So it's very lightweight, kind of JavaScript library that helps with like DOM DOM management. So let's see what this is. Yeah, so now when we submit form, forget if this is actually, I don't think this is translated yet. This should be updated. Yeah, I should modify this one while I'm at it. Key result. Add key result. It's here. Oh, I probably don't have bindings. Name, like name is not set, right? Yep. Should fix this. So add key result. Remove. Okay. So when we're adding, got a lot. This music got a lot here. SoundCloud. Can I lower this a little bit? Too distracting. Can I modify? Where is this? Okay, it's here. Just a little bit. Okay, so let's do this. Key result target. What is key result target? Where am I? 1, 2, 3, 4. App news. Checked as new. So add key result and key result. Yeah, this is a bit incorrect. Yeah, it adds to this one key result list target. Okay. Just gonna be dr. So what we're gonna do is go through all of these. Children. Input elements. So we want to look at all the input elements. This here, so input elements. And we want to set them to something here. Key result 0. Name, start, min, max, owner. Let's see what it works. Add key result. Inspect element. Yes, it says key result 0 start. And name and so on, right? So this is good. If we add number 1. Have key result 1 minimum. Okay. If I remove it, should also switch back to 0. Oh yeah, I need to recompute. Need to add a function to recompute. Because here it removes and doesn't recompute anything. Okay, so let's do this. Can I do this private? Yeah, okay. Private update. I know it's called key result. I'll put names. I know it's very kind of basic. Okay, so this we're gonna move all this logic here. And we're gonna move. Okay, so this is okay. It's gonna should work now. Just refresh. Zero. So let's add another one. So this should be 0. This should be 1. So if I remove 0, it should still remain at 0. Hey Danny, what's going on? If I remove this, okay, still 0. So I am rewriting one of my products. I built this app called Simple OKR. I built like a couple years ago. It's written in Go with like React front end, and I'm basically rebuilding it from scratch. Still on Go backend, but I want to get rid of React.js because I really hate it. But I guess that's kind of like larger goal right now. I'm just like getting a bunch of things set up. Yeah, one of those things is like Stimulus.js. I want to like try out Stimulus.js, which is this like lightweight, I guess JavaScript framework for working with DOM. And yeah, that's kind of I guess where I am right now. Very like in early stages of just like rewriting the app. What about you? What are you doing? Okay, so where was I? Where was I? So I'm gonna come. How to do this? No, it's not action. It's method. Okay, so let's see what's on the back end. Let's go. Can't type. Can't type. So let's look at this guy. So I need to parse out that form somehow. And I'm kind of trying to avoid third-party libraries as much as possible. I think right now I have only what I have right now. Go mod. I have only single dependency, which is Gochi for routing. And I'd like to avoid anything for forms also. But I think I know how I feel about this. Just parsing forms is like painful. Parsing form data is painful. Let's see what I have here. Numbers forms library. Go playground. Forms is not. What I have here. Form. Let's see. No, what the hell is this website? What's the license? MIT license, okay. How many dependencies do we have? Go mod. We have only assert, which is good. I wish I didn't have it. Maybe I'm just gonna use this form package so I don't have like reinvent the wheel, because I want to parse out form kind of inputs like this where you have like arrays of stuff or maps, and just gonna make it much easier for me. Single instance of decoder. Yeah, let me use this package form. Maybe I have some stuff in here. I don't know if there are models and packages. DB, what is this? SQL? Objective should be SQL also. Go mod.d. Okay. So I have 3 dependencies. Form and assert. Yeah, let's go back to this. So form parsers, how do we parse this? Where's the example? Example. We have structs. We have structs and render context if for what? So I'm running Linux. I'm on Linux. My window manager is i3, and here it's Vim inside of Tmux, and then I have like Firefox on the side. Yeah, it's pretty like I don't know, pretty minimal, I guess. I don't like using any like IDEs. I see there's something wrong with my completion. Not represent of that. So it's a post. What is this? Oh, it's not a function. So what does a decoder look like? Decoder. This decoder. Parse form. Obviously just the values. Oh, it just says decoder decode. Okay. What's this form? forget what's called. Something with post form, no? Oh, it needs what is this? Objectives, new form. Yeah, see, I'm having some kind of problems with my autocompleter. That might be because I'm like typing things incorrectly, or yeah, post form. I know I was autocompleting before. Post form, and let's just for now, so we can see any errors. Let's dump values to the screen. So it's called percent v, and this is gonna be a form request. Just want to make sure that the data that I'm posting here is gonna come in correctly. Did I set this up? So have name, description, do, child objective. I don't have parent objective actually. No, I'm keeping my stuff. What are my templates, man? I don't remember how I set this thing up. So I'm trying a new file structure and just like new templates, and everything is kind of like different right now for me. Objective row template. Maybe I'm setting this name from JavaScript side. So is this what I'm doing? Where am I again? To front. One more is content. JS source controllers. Add child. So add parent objective. It's gonna be what is gonna be. Objective row template. Oh, I'm not setting it. Am I setting it? No, I'm not setting it, I think. I'm not setting the name. Where is this parent objective? Inspect. Oh yeah, it has no name on it. Okay, and this one also has no name on it. What is this? Mouse. Yeah, no, yes, I need to fix this a little bit real quick. New row, and it's gonna have select. How do I find things this. Add child objective. Get first element. So I need to do this. Email, get element by text name. Select 0. Set attribute. Oh yeah, so this is this parent objective actually. So name. Parent objective. Okay. And there's only one of them, right? I need to fix this also, so I can only do one. Okay, parent objective, and then there's gonna be something similar for similar to this. Date. It's gonna be child objectives list target. Child objectives list target. It's just gonna be select. Wait a second, what am I doing? With this. Zero set. Just do this set attribute name child objective. Or maybe I just need to do I need this actually? This I just need a list, so it doesn't really. I don't think I need this actually. I just need to do this actually, parent objective array like this, so then I can like collect them into a single array on the back end. This is gonna be child objective. Okay, so let's see if this gets properly assigned. I guess now I have name here. We have name here. Yeah, name here. Okay, so this is fine. So let's go to the backend now. So I need parent objectives. This is how it works. Child objectives. Do only one is set. So let's see how this form parsing works. So why is it not am I getting an error here? No, I'm not getting an error here. Oh, yeah, I need to rebuild something. One thing that I haven't set up properly is my app recompilation step, which is a bit annoying right now. So I need to manually rebuild it. Yeah, it's fixed. Yeah, I'm not doing it. Okay, so yeah, it's a bit annoying. Okay, let's try it. If I submit it, it's okay. So this is objective name, some description, due date. Let's do this. Ownership, me, teams, team 1. Let's do team 2. Team 2, relationship, some objective, 2 child objectives, key result. Okay, key result 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here. So we have objective name parsed out, description parsed out, due date parsed out, parent objective. I guess we just didn't parse correctly. And then key results. So key results parsed. Added one of them, right? So what am I doing differently? What am I doing differently here? So I have key results, child objectives. Maybe I need to do this like this. Is it possible that I do it like this? Oh, maybe actually I don't need. Let's try it like this actually. I need to rebuild now. Submit. What do we have? Nothing. Buy. So what is going on here? Parent objective. Why are these nulls? So I am definitely sending data. Right, so I'm sending. Oh, maybe it's plural. Maybe it's, yeah, that's what it is. I do like this, should work. Oh yes, and now it's good. So now we have 1 and 1 here. So all the the request is parsed correctly, which is good. So it's parsed correctly. So now I should actually create objective, which I don't have it set up right yet, but have to implement it. Queries. Yeah, I only have like stubs for retrieving some data. Should probably add like a stub for new objective and then work on session malware. Because then I can start redirecting the different pages after post. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go to my, what is going on here? Let's go to my models. So what I have, models are objective. Create objective. Context, context, context. And what I want a request of some kind. Request. Create objective request. It's gonna return string an error. Create objective. Name. Description. Due date. What else is here? Maybe due date should be time actually. No, should be time or should be, let's leave the string. So name, description, child, objective, IDs. It's gonna be string, parent, objective. ID. And what I will say, we have these key results that I want to initialize it with. Yes, there's only one object, one parent objective, and key results. And what this looks like, I'm not sure. Create objective. That's the key result, and it's gonna get a mouthful. And this will have name, min value, max value, start value. Oh, I forgot teams. What was this? I forget what this page looked like. So we have due dates. I need these guys. Team IDs. And then owner IDs. My IDs owner IDs. Start value, min value. SSL, oh, it's owner. Owner ID, owner ID. So this is the create objective request. It's gonna go into my query layer, or I guess DB layer. Maybe it should be named something else, not queries. So let's add one for my in-memory implementation. Memory for create. So this is just kind of like a stub implementation in memory. So just can like implement interfaces and implement my controllers without actually like touching database and thinking about like how to organize things on the database. And request is gonna be create objective request. It's gonna return some kind of value here. And I probably can't implement this quickly, not fully, but I guess partially. DB, so what do we have here? So initially we just have I need some kind of sequence here. What is a sequence? Sequence int. And let sequence be sequence start at 100 just to offset everything. And let's build function in memory store get next sequence. And this is just going to give me a string and m sequence plus, and here we just returning strconf itoa 2a i2a sequence, right? Okay, so we have this. Yeah, so now we're just gonna do something very dumb, but let's just get the sequence ID next sequence number, and this is just gonna be turn ID now and m objectives and m objectives models objective ID name request just for testing. So okay, so now this will add files. Good. Controllers objectives new. Okay, so now here we can actually do something like this. Of course, need a bunch of validation and whatnot, but skip it. Create objective or first context cx, and then models create. So we're just gonna do name form request name, description, form description, do form request, do date. What else is there? Actually, I'll take this out. So field request. Actually, does this page work? Oh, it doesn't list anything. Oh, it's not hooked up. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's do this for now. I need to do what else was in that object. So it was, yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in here. So there's this stuff. There's all of this stuff in here. Subjective ID is gonna be child objectives. So okay, so this is the request and form request and objective. And then for the objective ID, let's sit range form request objectives request what did I do here? Okay, so this looks good. Oops. Yeah, it's gonna be. Why did I do this? I need this. I need the chat. I need owners. Okay. Wait, did I not add them? forgot to add them. Okay, so yeah, didn't add teams. Have you named correctly? And spec element owner. Okay, so these are called owner. What's this called? It's called team. Okay, owners. Teams. What's the need? Oh, I need key results. Looking on our range from. Oops, what the hell's going on here? Request key results. Tier 1 and 2. So this should work now, right? So let's try it out. So if I submit a form and I reload this page, I should see a new objective in this list here because it's coming from my in-memory store. So let's reload. Let's say this is a new objective. And I'm not gonna do anything else here. I think it's fine to leave it as is. Great. Got it created. Let's go back. See. Somehow it didn't work. What? Why it didn't work? It should have worked. Create objective. Oh, I'm an idiot. I keep forgetting I need to rebuild this. I need to fix this so I don't have to like restart the app. Scan, okay, new objective. Create objective. Cool. Let's go here. Let's see. Hey, still not here. Why? Why not here? Is it even calling that done with this code, so definitely hit all of this. And query is create objective. Unless, oh, there's probably some weird stuff here with this in-memory implementation, because I wonder what does this guy do? It's probably allocating a new instance every single time. What is it doing? Queries to context. Yeah, so it's always allocating a new store here. Maybe I should just do let's just allocate it here. More memory store models queries. If memory store, and just allocate. So you're always passing the same one. It's gonna be much, yeah, okay, so this is gonna work for now. Let's try it now. So much complexity. So I guess a new objective. Bam, created. Load this page. Bam, new objective. Okay, so this works fine. So now it's hooked up to this, which is good. Next I should add my session management so I can redirect. Yeah, probably that's what I'm gonna do next. Let's commit. Okay, let's do this. Can't even type. What is going on here? Okay. Oh, it didn't set it remote. Okay. This is just my muscle memory. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. 10 p.m. Okay. How much? We did my to-do. So we have. So we kind of did this portion. Anyone in the stream here? How does this work? I need to figure out better way of setting up this chat. Okay, no one's here. Bots only. Baby bots. So like queries malware should get. Joey blogs. Joey blogs. Okay, so this is. Oh, sorry. So this is fine. Now. Let me find. I already have some code for working with sessions. I should just kind of bring it to this project. Now, why did I do this? What am I doing here? Right. What am I doing here? What am I doing here? So I started working on this thing called Go WebKit, which just has a bunch of a couple of small things to help me with web development. So this I could use all of this stuff here. This is implemented and it supports, yeah, it provides session malware. Yeah, let's just do this. What kind of... I'm getting sleepy. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna come back to this another day. Kind of feeling actually like I should go to bed or something. 10 p.m. Yeah, this was just pretty productive. So I fixed this portion here. I can work on sessions and another day. Sessions in Flash middleware, which is gonna be just easy to port from my old project. Cool.